Good morning, YouTube. Today, we're in the greenhouse. Take a look at the tomatoes grown in the Dutch bucket system. Hydroponically. Look at that sucker. I need to get in here and clean up. All these have got to go. Keep them single stem. But we do have flowers starting. Working on the second cluster there. Some of them have 3 clusters. But look at the massive growth. These things have been in here since March 17th and have absolutely took off. These are the same ones on the last video I put out that were in the trays. And they're doing great. Look at the stalks on these things. Look at that. But everything's coming along fantastic. Here's one of the crosses that I'm working on, trying to get some big tomatoes. Look at that flower. It looks like it's about to try to make a tomato, or two, or a bunch of them fused together. These are the Camparis. And they put out massive trusses, 8 to 12 tomatoes, just depends. They're growing, growing, growing. Look at this leaf. You'll only see that on a hydroponic grown tomato. You see how long that leaf is? And of course the suckers are massive. I mean, they pop out. If you don't catch them in 2 days, this is what you'll have. So I'm trying out a new addition to the Masterblend. I'm using Silica Blast. Let me get a better picture of that in case anybody wants to try some of this. CB. So what it's supposed to do is make the stalks grow bigger and helping the heat by allowing the plant to move fertilizer and water up and down the stalk. And you could tell the growth when I started adding it. Find a good one. Alright, look here at the bottom. See how skinny that little stalk is when I put it in? They stayed in here about a week. Then I juiced them up with 2 ounces of that Silica Blast at 25 gallons of water. And you can tell where the new growth took off. Look at that. I mean, from skinny all the way up, and it's just getting thicker and thicker. And it's like that on every plant. There's a little tomato there. There's some more tomatoes there. And look at all these little root knobs coming out, looking for a place to root. I hope that's showing up on the camera. But that Silica Blast is making these tomatoes. Massive stalks on it and flowering. So let me see. You have 1 truss, 2 truss here. Next truss is forming right there. So as you can see, they're all growing fantastic. Time for another clip on these plants too. But I'll be getting in here, cutting them up today, trimming them. Making them look pretty, keeping them single stem. But that's it, guys. Just want to show you around. Might bring you back after I do some trimming, cutting, restringing. So y'all have a good one.